Hi, this is Lata. So the last class I had taught you how to frame yes or no questions in simple present, and I had also given you one task. So today I am going to give you the second example in simple present framing yes or no questions. So we'll go to that. So this is simple present to frame yes or no questions. This is example 2, and here before we go to the example, we'll once more see the rule here. Here the name he, she, it goes with does, and they, we, you, I should go with do for the framing of the yes or no sentences in simple present. So the sentence is they sleep on the floor. So they is a subject, sleep is a verb, and floor is the object. Now to frame, so we are taking to frame the questions, we have to see the subject. What is the subject? They. Now you can see here they should go with do. So I have written do, and what did I tell you the next step is? Just copy the sentence as it is. Do they sleep on the floor? Now the positive sentence, yes. And what should we do? We have to again copy the sentence as it is here. Yes. So only thing you have to write is yes here and copy the sentence. They sleep on the floor. Now the negative sentence, no. After no you have to write the subject here, and then because it is no you have to write do not or does not. Here it is do, so it is do not here, and then after that the third step is copy this as it is. You have to copy this. Sleep on the floor. So I'll read it for you. They sleep on the floor. Do they sleep on the floor? Yes, they sleep on the floor. No, they do not sleep on the floor. So is that again more clear for you? So we'll go to the task now. So number 1, we go for movie every Sunday. Number 2, they have food in the hotel every month. Number 3, you read newspaper every morning. Number 4, I drive the car on the highway. And please do hit the like button if you really like these training sessions, and please subscribe so that you get all the updated lessons, and you can follow the lessons, because you have lot of people out there have a lot of time because of the pandemic. So you can definitely give a try for it, and please do comment, and I will definitely reply for your comments. And till then, take care. Bye.